Hello and good morning everyone. Today we have come up with another vehicle which is Ford car. We have opened its engine head and half of the portion is still there. As you can see it's still half of the engine block is there, and on top of this engine block there will be engine head which we have removed. In this vehicle we will be changing its ring, piston ring, and we will cleaning it thoroughly. So I'll show you what are the things we are doing. This is 4-cylinder engine. As you can see that there is a 4 compartment is there, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one, right? So as I said you, it's 4-cylinder engine. There are 4 piston, 1, 2 and 3 is fitting this ring, and the 4th one. There is a trick in fitting this ring. So I'll show you what are the tricks for putting ring inside the piston. So for that we have taken this STP piston rings of standard size. We have, as I mentioned, that there is a trick in fitting this ring. See, as you can see that this is a small section, it's written SP. This face should be on top. It should not be fixed like this. If we fix like this, we will get the engine compressor problem, the back compressor problem. So for that, while fitting this ring, it should be in this position. Clear? We'll make sure this written part is on top.
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
We are going to insert this ring. This is oil ring. You have seen the spring kind. So we are inserting this piston ring, which should be on top of this oil ring. So we will fix another ring, then the another last one. So 3 ring we have inserted. We are rechecking this piston positioning. As I said you, this written part should be on top. As I said you, there will be 3 ring. In that, one will be of oil ring. This is the oil ring. First we will fix the oil ring. We are fixing now the oil ring. So we have to make sure that we are positioning in the right way. Yes, this oil ring we have placed it. So now we will go for the compressor ring. We have placed this compressor ring. Now the last one compressor ring we will again place it. So we are done with 3 piston ring. We have set that. Now we have left with one last piston.
चलो किरण को साफ कीजिए. किरण.
The reason why we have opened this engine, because we were having this back compressor problem. We were getting too much of smoke, and this we are going to put the piston in the engine block. Before that we will lubricate the piston. For that we have using this lubricant can. So we have put this engine lubricant here. So one by one we will lubricate it. We are going to place this first. This should be in the front side. it should not be like this, it should be facing towards this. So this technician will go down inside and he will fix this. And for our to avoid confusion, we have marked in this piston. So in the first piston which my friend is holding, it is of number 1. For that we have given here of 1 number. Then as you can see that to avoid confusion, it's 2. We have placed this ring clip and now we will put it inside. And
नीचे देखो जी, पोजीशन ठीक है। हाँ ठीक है।
So one piston is going inside the engine block.
ठीक है।
This is ring clip. By using this, we drop our piston inside this block. So again we will repeat this process. We will take out this bolt.
उसको बोलो ये पेंट वाला आगे रहेगा।
And the face should be in the front.
लाओ मुकर्रम, पालकिन दो।
So we will lubricate this again. We are making it smooth so that while operating it should be normal. While putting this piston, we have to make sure this arrow should face towards this side, not towards the driving side. It should face towards the front side. There are minute mistakes. If we don't take care, it will make blunder. So we are dropping this piston down.
देखो ठीक है जी।
We are using this wooden piece of wooden this block. We are using this wooden stick. This is made of bamboo. Important thing, all the people, they should know that there is a positioning in while fitting these rings, this oil compressor ring and this the compressor ring. The position should be follow in this pattern. See, as you can see, this is the mark. So we have to follow this position. So for that, the oil ring should be come in this position. I said you there is a very important thing need to be know. See, while fitting this oil compressor and while putting inside this block, the oil compressor position should match with this mark. So for that we need to do the adjustment. Will be put in such a way that once you go inside, while tightening it, it will come back to this position. So it's very remarkable thing which everyone should be knowing. So we have kept this oil compressor in this way. While tightening, it will come to this position. So likewise, all the 3 compressor will also come back to its desired place. So piston number 2, we are going to place it. So again we will use this small tools. Again we will use this wooden stick as a support for putting it down, this piston. We will not use any kind of metal object, otherwise it will make some friction or it will reshape this piston.
What a piston.
So we have to do the last piston. It's piston number 3. I would like to tell you the piston sequence will start from this side, this timing side. So this is number 1 piston, and 2 and 3, and the last one, this is 4th. We are done with placing this 4th piston. So now we will place this head.